Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The instance of a niggardly and a subscriber is like those two men who are wearing iron cloak." Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports with another chain that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, "The niggardly and who spends money are like those two men who are wearing iron cloak covering their chests up to necks. Whenever the donor spends money, the cloak becomes capacious and expands over his body and even covers his fingers and signs foot traces. And when the niggardly intends to spend something, every hook gets fixed to its place. He tries to untie it but cannot untie it." Hassan bin Muslim corroborated him from Taus about Jubbatain. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1443.